welcome back to my channel. So today we will have another step-by-step tutorial on how to create your PayPal account, and I will also be answering the question that I get a lot of times, which is which one to create. Would you create a PayPal business or would you create a PayPal personal account? So today we will answer that question and we will clarify the differences ng PayPal personal versus business account. So I hope that you guys would find this helpful. So let's get into it. Having a PayPal personal account is just basically having a virtual wallet. It will allow you to send and receive funds. It works like apps like GCash or PayMaya. So PayPal is the same. But the difference is that it can be in any currency and then it will just have a conversion rate. And the second benefit of having a PayPal personal account is that you will have a fraud protection. So it means you can dispute any transaction if you do not get the product as promised, or if it's a digital product, if they don't send it to you. So in short, you can get your money back if someone tried to scam you. So with having a PayPal business account, it will allow you to accept debit or credit card transactions even though they do not have a PayPal account. So the customer can check out as guest and you will be able to transact with them. Unlike with personal, they have to do it inside the PayPal platform. The second one is that you can send invoices or bill to customers. So for example, you provide a certain service. Let's say you do for example, you design websites. And you charge $100. So you can have the ability to send your customer an invoice or a bill, and then they will just click pay now. So the third advantage is that you can make use of merchant services. So for example, you can integrate your PayPal business account with your Shopify store, and it will act as your payment gateway whenever someone buys through your website or through your stores. Alright, so that's it. So next is how to register for a PayPal account. The first step, you have to go to paypal.com.ph. Make sure it's the Philippine website. So you have to choose either personal account or business account. But for this example, I will choose business account since I want to sell my items on my website. I'll click next. And then next I will choose receive payments for goods and services. And I will choose as a dropshipper. You can choose as a dropshipper if you know that your products will be coming from another warehouse and not your home address. And then I'll just choose I'm not so sure or none of the above for the sales targets. Just input my email address and password. Next, I will just input all the business details like name, last name, and business name. I will choose individual or sole proprietorship. And for the product or service keywords, this means that you have to indicate which industry you are in. So for example, let's say food. These are the other industries that you can put or indicate. And then for the business URL, you can leave it blank first if you do not have a website yet. And if you want to build your own store, online store, the link is down below to get your Shopify 14-day free trial so that you will be able to experience how to build an online store on your own. Then next, you just have to indicate all these personal details. And that's it. You have your own PayPal business account. Next, you just have to confirm your email. So go to your email and check for the confirmation sent by PayPal. So now you can request or send funds. You can send your customers a link for the payment. You could also send an invoice, and you could offer PayPal checkout on your website for your Shopify website if you have it, or if you have other kind of websites that PayPal is partnered with. Okay, so now you have to set it up on your website. Just choose account setup and click on your website. So here are the things that you can do if your PayPal business account is integrated with your website already. So now you could process all payments including credit card and debit cards through PayPal. So you just have to follow the instructions on how you can install that on your website. If you have a Shopify account, you just have to go to payment settings, and there's an instruction there on how to connect your PayPal account with your Shopify store. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more dropshipping videos. Bye!